Alright guys, so I want to let you know, let's get straight to this video, right? I just want to let you know the top 5 meme coins in 2024. So the first one that I want us to take a look at is this one called Hamster Combat. So you have to jump on these airdrops because these airdrops are just like not coin. Alright, so there is it. As you can see, there is Hamster Combat right here. I'll be leaving the links in this video's description. Alright, I'll be leaving this link in this video's description box. Alright, so I urge each and every one of you to hurry up and then jump on this link. So this thing has been unlocked. I've been able to connect my wallet. Let me know if you want me to do a video on how to connect your wallet. I've already even made a video about it, so you can search it on my channel and then watch it right away. So this is the first meme coin, and then the second meme coin that I want you to take a look at is called Blum, right? So Blum is here. I'll be leaving the link in this video's description. So this is Blum. Right now, if you are not farming Blum, then I don't know what you're doing. So I have a total of 2,876 Blum right here. I have these tickets. Please don't waste these tickets because there will be a token generation right here. You can come to the task and then complete simple tasks to earn free Blum right here. And now the third one that I want us to look at is this one called Memphis Coin, right? Memphis Coin will be listing in this month of June, but there's no exact date right here. So I just want each and every single one of you to keep on mining this free Memphis Coin right here. So you just come here, claim your coins, and then tap right here. You just tap, then you are good to go, right? And then the next meme coin that I want us to take a look at is this one called Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is also going to launch, I think, in this month of June, but there has not been any confirmation right here, right? So but I want to show you something. When you launch it, you go to this where it says portfolio, click on the portfolio, and then you see that connect your wallet was here. I've been able to connect my wallet right here, guys. So the claim and then the Dogecoin, you see every single thing is here, says soon right here. So exactly you claim it, the claim function become clickable and you claim it. It will be withdrawn straight to your wallet right here, right? So I think the last one that I want to show you right here as part of the meme coin is called Pixelverse, right? Pixel Tab by Pixelverse here. That's the name of this bot. I'll be leaving all the links in the description and also in the comment section of this video. Let me know what you think, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. So there is it. You also come here, all you have to do is to tap, and good for this one, you can just click on where it says claim, and then all your balance will be withdrawn, will be claimed to your balance right here. And you can click on this one where it says here, and then you can connect your wallet, the wallet of your choice right here. I've already connected Bitget wallet right here. So there was a here, you can claim each and every day, claim your coins, and then you can play the daily combo and every single thing. So these are the meme coins that I wanted to share with you guys. All right, so this is it for now. See you in my next video.